I know there are individual variations, but does it matter what your socioeconomic status is? Are rich people who have money, who can afford things, who have money to deal with the monetary problems less depressed compared to people with less money and they're thinking about the next paycheck and where they're going to afford the housing and how are they going to afford their kids' education? Have you
Mhm.
noticed any difference as far as the socioeconomic status is concerned?
Yes and no.
Like the
So
money, the typical cliche, the money cannot buy happiness. So
happiness, exactly.
what's your verdict on that?
So back in 2016, there was a study done, and I specify the year because the amount of money now versus 2016, there's a huge economic difference that in
Mhm.
9 years, everything's so much more expensive. But at that time, the research showed that once you're making $75,000 a year, above that income, there was no extra happiness that money was bringing you.
I
So
see.
I'm guessing now it's 110,000 or
With
something because of
inflation.
how bad like the economy is, and
Yeah.
unfortunately people's salaries haven't gone up. So yes, we
Mhm.
are seeing an uptick in depression because of that and stress. Once you reach a certain income amount, extra added happiness is rare. And then you can have all the money in the world and your family member, yourself, you can have depression or you can have some sort of illness, schizophrenia, where it's like how much treatment is going to be completely healing. There's some treatment resistant cases that all you can go around the world to see specialists and still not get the treatment no matter how much money you have. Now you have this illness. So I
Yeah.
think that there's a certain level, and no money is ever enough. I'm sure that if you ask Elon Musk, he doesn't have enough either. So no
Yeah.
money is ever
Yeah.
enough.
Now he wants to buy OpenAI, so he needs another $100 billion to
Exactly.
buy that.